Laxmi Ratan Shukla pronunciation is a former Indian cricketer and politician. He is a right-handed middle-order batsman and a right-arm medium-pace bowler. He represented Bengal cricket team. He was also a player in the IPL team Kolkata Knight Riders, Delhi Daredevils, and the Sunrisers Hyderabad. He was a member of the Legislative Assembly of West Bengal representing the All India Trinamool Congress. He resigned from the ministry on 5 January 2021. Shukla was born in Howrah, West Bengal, and did his schooling at Sri Hanuman Jute Mill Hindi High School and the Don Bosco High and Technical School, Lalua. He caught attention in the Ranji Trophy in the 1997-98 season and rose to prominence for performing well for the Indian under-19s team in the MTN Youth World Cup in South Africa. He was a part of the Bengal team in the Wills Trophy, in which they got to the semi-final. In 2000 he was picked for the National Cricket Academy. On 30 December 2015 he announced his retirement from all forms of cricket. Because of impressive performances in domestic level, Shukla got a national call in 1999. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.